Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Wells Fargo statements to USB storage step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Wells Fargo website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the home page. Click on that Account Statements option. Select the account for which you want to download statements. Choose the desired statement period from the available options. Click on the statement you wish to download. Once the statement opens, look for the Download button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. When prompted, choose the location on your computer to save the file temporarily. Make sure to remember where you save the file, such as your desktop or Downloads folder. After downloading, connect your USB storage device to your computer. Open the folder where you saved the downloaded statement. Select the statement file and right-click on it. Choose the Copy option from the context menu. Open the USB storage device by locating it in My Computer or this PC. Right-click in the USB storage window and select Paste to transfer the file. Wait for the transfer to complete, ensuring the statement is now on the USB drive. Once the transfer is finished, safely eject the USB storage device from your computer. Your Wells Fargo statements are now backed up to your USB storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.